It's your girl Dee Dee. Welcome back. What I have for you guys is going to be a tutorial. We are going to be doing an upper eye mask tutorial. This is a collagen mask product that I purchased from Amazon.com. Generally, it's used for the under eye, but today, guys, we are actually going to be applying it to the upper eyelids. Yes, guys, you've heard that right. We are going to be applying it to the upper eyelids. Okay, guys, so I'd like to just thank you all to all my wonderful subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining the Dee Dee family. Guys, I also want to encourage anyone who's viewing the channel for the first time. It's a great channel, guys. You want to just make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. This is what the front looks like. I want to make sure you guys can see that. I'll bring it up here a little bit closer. And then, guys, this is what the back looks like. So again, there's several different ways that you can purchase this. I actually got it from Amazon. The package that I got came with 10 in a pack. I believe when I was ready to purchase mine, I saw one for 5, one for 10, and then one for 20. Now there may be more. You just want to go to Amazon or go to whatever online store maybe that you'd like to shop at. And what you have to do, guys, is you do have to start with a cleansed face. I've already washed my face. I've let all of the excess water, everything dry off. So I am ready to apply these babies. Doing is opening up the package. So it does have a little indentation over here for you to easily open it up, if you guys can see that. So I am going to quickly just rip this open. There we go. It's nice and smooth, and it actually has like a little tray on the inside of this package. So be very careful as you're opening this up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm slipping it out of the tray. There's one, and then the other one was stuck to the inside, and there's like some liquid on the inside of there. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. It's kind of slippery. It almost feels like gelatin a little bit. And then it has little round circles, so maybe that's where a lot of the product is. So let's figure out the best way to put this above the eye, because generally you would put it underneath the eye like this, but in this case, guys, we're going to be applying it to the upper eye. So let me see. This is trial and error. Much, guys, for sticking tuned. So this is how it's looking. We're about halfway throughout that time, so we're about 10 minutes in. I did go ahead and move it up just a little bit, so I do have my eyes open 100%. It's kind of like sticking to my eyelid, so you can look around, you can move, you can do different things, whatever type of activities that you may have to do around the house while you're waiting for that time to pass. You will be able to do that. So I wanted to just show you guys this is how it's looking. I did kind of manipulate the eye mask just a little bit and kind of press it more so into my skin. I can feel a little bit of tingling. It does feel a little bit cool. So there is a cooling effect, a little tingling effect to it. I don't feel like there's anything getting into my eyes. It's not irritating around my eye. There's no irritation or anything to it. So it's just... What's up, guys? Thank you so much for sticking tuned. So we are at the 20-minute mark, and this is what the product is looking like on my eyes as of right now. So it actually did mold to my skin a little bit. Again, as I discussed, guys, it does have a cooling effect. At first, when I put it on, it felt really like putty. Now it kind of feels like a thin... It just feels very thin. You can tell that some of the product has been used, I guess I should say. So we are going to go ahead and remove this, guys. I am going to share my thoughts with you. So here is the first one. We are just going to peel it. Let's peel it from the inside. Here we go, guys. Just peeling it off. And this is what it looks like. And remember, guys, it had like circles in there. So as you can see, the circles aren't as defined, so that must mean that some of the product was actually used. So that's the first one. get one. Guys, per the instructions, it does say that you only want to do one application with these. I do know that some people do try to reuse these, but guys, they are saying you want to go ahead and throw them away after each use. So according to the instructions, the recommendation is to go ahead and wash your face where the masks were with warm water. So I am going to do that, guys, and then I'll come right back and I'll give you my thoughts. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I did go ahead and wash my face with warm water per the instructions, and this is what the results look like. So based on the results and my recommendation, I do feel like it did make an improvement to my skin. My upper eyelid, my upper eyelid tends to look a little bit more tired. I am starting to notice now that I'm getting older, there are some fine lines there. So for me, I can tell a big improvement between what my eye looked like before and what it looks like now. It definitely feels moisturized, like the oil, the natural oils in my skin did come back. So what I would do, guys, is on a scale from 1 to 10, I would give the product based off my first application, I would give it about a 7. So it seems to be pretty effective. I'm quite sure, just as the instructions say, you do have to do it consistently. Per the instructions, it does recommend, guys, that you do it at night or during a period where you can actually relax and just kind of soak in that entire moment and just put your mind at ease, allow the product to work. My tutorial, guys, these are my thoughts. Let me know if you like this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. For anybody, again, who has not had an opportunity to subscribe, I do want to encourage you to do that. And again, to all my subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in with Vibing with Dee Dee. More fun is to come and underway. Guys, stay safe out there from the coronavirus. Thanks again, guys, and until next time, keep vibing.